Hello guys, welcome to The Factual Earner. Today I am gonna talk about the outline of business and finance. So before starting the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Here is a possible outline for on Mastering Business Finance, a step-by-step guide to building a profitable and sustainable business. Introduction. Overview of the importance of business finance. Purpose of the ebook. 2. Understanding business finance basics. What is business finance? Key financial statements, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Importance of budgeting and forecasting. 3. Building a strong business foundation. How to create a business plan. Importance of business structure and legal compliance. How to secure funding for your business. IV. Managing cash flow. Understanding cash flow and its importance. Strategies for managing cash flow. How to forecast cash flow versus investing in growth. How to use financial analysis to make strategic decisions. How to measure return on investment, ROI. How to evaluate and manage risk. V. Financial planning and analysis. How to create a budget and financial forecast. How to use financial ratios to evaluate performance. How to use financial planning and analysis to make strategic decisions. 7. Conclusion. Summary of key takeaways. Additional resources for further learning. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial expert or a business advisor to help you with the financial analysis and interpretation.